Choosing next-level DFY means more than just hiring a service provider. You're partnering with a team deeply invested in your digital success. It's essential to understand that website maintenance is not a one-off task, but a continuous process involving over 20 critical activities essential for optimal performance. These include code updates, security patches, performance optimization, content updates, SEO strategies, and many more. Neglecting these tasks could be the primary reason why you might not be witnessing continuous growth in your digital presence. Let me break it down for you. Regular maintenance is crucial to keep your website running smoothly, ensuring it remains fast, responsive, and secure. Without this, you risk facing a slow-loading website, potential security vulnerabilities, and a subsequent decline in user engagement and trust. This can result in lower search rankings and ultimately a decrease in revenue. Your competitors likely already understand the importance of these maintenance tasks, which gives them an edge in the digital space. They partner with services that handle these essential tasks, allowing them to focus on their core business while their websites continue to engage and grow their customer base. At Next Level DFY, we offer an affordable and comprehensive solution with our done-for-you DFY approach. We take on the responsibility of maintaining your website, covering everything from regular updates and security checks to SEO and content management. This approach ensures your website is not just current, but also aligned with the latest digital trends and security standards. By entrusting us with your website's upkeep, you free yourself to focus on what you do best: running your business. With our Next Level DFY approach, you can be confident that your website is in expert hands, always updated, secure, and optimized for peak performance. This is more than a service, it's a partnership geared towards keeping your website at the forefront of digital excellence. Thank you for considering Next Level DFY. We're excited about the prospect of working with you and ensuring that your website contributes effectively to your business success.